Basically what I'm doing right now, since I can't straighten this out, plus I don't even know where the line is, so I can't even straighten it out because unlike other cars, I forgot that this car, you kind of have to just like minor adjust as you go, and I totally forgot about it. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna go head out to get on my alignment. Right now my car kind of drives to the left. Hopefully my homie Renz can fix that. But yeah, let's go. Alright, what's up guys? I just came home. I barely talked in this vlog. It's just because I'm trying to like talk less, show more. And yeah, this is pretty much it. It's a vlog. I gotta do some homework for my GMAT. Well, not exactly, my executive assessment exam to get into my MBA program. But I hope you guys enjoy the short vlog of today. Getting alignment, taking some pictures, getting some coffee. Make sure you guys check out Pono Potion. It's in Chinatown. It's on Smith Street. Amazing coffee. And my friend Peter, he makes his own coffee syrup. So please go check them out. I'll put the link down in the description. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you know that I don't have to talk about this every time. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.